The GUTHERREN Car Vacuum GCV-1000 offers an impressive 40,000 pascals of suction power, making it highly efficient for cleaning various surfaces from car interiors to home furniture. Its versatile 9-in-1 design allows not only for vacuuming, but also for inflating items like balls and bicycle tires, providing a multifunctional tool for diverse cleaning and maintenance needs. Equipped with dual 3,000 milliampere-hour batteries, it can operate continuously for up to 60 minutes, ensuring extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, this mini wireless vacuum is designed for portability and ease of use, allowing you to clean anytime and anywhere, even in nighttime emergencies with its built-in LED. The GUTHERREN Car Vacuum GCV-1000 comes with a complete kit that includes multiple nozzles, filters, and inflators, ensuring you have everything needed for comprehensive cleaning and inflating tasks. This vacuum cleaner's combination of powerful performance, portability, and multifunctionality makes it a standout choice for those seeking an all-in-one cleaning solution.